and then the Fusioning Delight, but this one is neon. This one is the regulars, like OG originals is colors, and this one is the new 6 color for neon. So give it a little shake, and then we are going to dab the Honesty on first, just a little bit. And then you can do it thick or thin and however you would like. And just give it like a dab, like a 1 or 2. If you want darker, absolutely can do it darker. And let it set for a second. And then I am go ahead and using the Fusioning Neon Delight. Hey Dom, thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving. And you're gonna notice that the neon is a fusioning is gonna be really cool and it's really pigmented. Okay, and I'm gonna wipe it off first. And you can tap wherever you prefer. It doesn't have to be in a certain way or certain time. And I will let it set for just seconds, and I'm go ahead and using the crystal clear. So now this is the crystal clear Specie will blend and help blend your crystal placement. It's easier. I mean the fusioning is easier. So I'm go ahead and get just enough and not saturate my bristle with the crystal clear. You're gonna using just little, go a long way. Okay. And it's gonna create this kind of a brown looks for the nails. And I'm so excited for this one. And then you can create this however your veinings you like. And you can do it darker or lighter. And you can stop at any time. You can stop it there, or you can continue and add more as you prefer. I'm gonna let it set for just a second. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna using the gold illuminating is light art gel painting. I'm gonna give it just a little bit of the veining. And you don't have to do it like a perfect lines at all. Just give it a little quick zigzag one. Okay. And here for 30 seconds. I'm going to show you, it's really cool with these designs. 30 seconds for this one. This is the first look. Let me wipe off the residues from the crystal first. Say happy Thanksgiving. It's had pumpkin and turkey dinner plates, cranberry and turkey legs. I'm gonna go.
Thank you for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone.
Oh my God, you finished your dinner, but watching why cooking, that's awesome, Dom.
So we do try to get your order as soon as we can. Currently, yeah, it's a little crazy, but we do try to get your order out within 1 to 2 business days as fast as we can.
And then for the next ones, the second ones I am going to do is really cute. I'm gonna do this designs on, and then we're putting some crystal placement on this one. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Do this one first.
Yes, Lynn, if you want to try out premium transfer foil gel, you will love it. It's your one size fit all, and we haven't seen a whole lot of transfer foil to actually be able to not transfer completely. And all you need 30 seconds to cure.
So I'm gonna go ahead and do apply and tie the nails. So it's only transfer wherever you apply the transfer foil gels and cure for 30 seconds.
Yep, and remember, if you get it right now, you get a part of sale. I think it's up to 30% off on the premium transfer foil gel.
Yeah, that is amazing. That is absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna do these colors, and also you see that little like cute Thanksgiving words right here. I'm gonna do this one on the bottom half of the nails, and I'm gonna use this one on the top. So then we can get the cute image, and then we can do some crystal placement if we want to. See, so fun and easy. I'm so glad you all making dinner today. All right, so I am a go ahead and apply.
Oh, thank you, Slim, for watching us on TikTok. Yes. It's really amazing on how you guys support it on TikTok. Like, we wake up one morning and see the video go up to like 5 million views. We were just astonishing. It's amazing what you guys can do over there.
That is awesome. Thank you so much on the TikTok fam. And then we can do a happy Thanksgiving right here if you like to. If not, you can put the sticker on. It's super cute as well. I think I like the sticker also because it's showing the color too. Look at that. How cool it is. It's transfer permission. Everything is transfer everything. It's only where it's not applied with the transfer foil gel, then it's not going to here. But I'm going to move that one on the sides. This is a blossoming fall. It's not only for fall only, it's have for all seasons. It's like butterflies. You see me do a lot of this ones with the birds and flowers. I love this. It's one of my favorites transfer foil box. And all the transfer foil is like 65% off now. So like $7. Absolutely. So now if you love it like this, I love that how the background give it such a good dimensions when we're doing a design. And if you don't want anything else, you can just like top coat and cure for 60 seconds and you're good to go. But I'm going to do just a little bit of crystals on. Not much the same with this one. So then it's going to give it this cute looks for Fusion Inks background. Really thick density. So each time you need, it's just a little, unless you are going to do is like a 3D crystal, a pointed back crystal.
And Slim, yes, if you're a beginner, you come to the perfect place. So aside from like just detailed like we do like daily, you can also go through our back catalog. We have video date back to a couple of years. So any product you like to try it out, you look it up. I'm pretty sure you can find a video on that particular product that you like to try. And fun design.
And also that don't forget to check out our brand ambassador team. They also created so many cute designs and super quick, simple, easy too. You can follow all of them and getting great ideas out of their great tutorial. I learned so much from them as well. So it's really, really awesome that got them sharing with us. So I'm gonna go ahead and using this. I don't know if we can see it in back right here. Instagram, we're seeing it right here. I'm gonna show them the Black Friday crystal kits I am having on my hand right now.
Yep, I'm gonna give a quick zoom out so you see just how much stuff is in that kit. So this is the special kit we do for Black Friday. We should put them in the tray. We spread them out so you can see how much it is compared to the nails you've been looking at. And this, I think like $600-700 worth of product, and you get it for how much?
You get it for $2.99.
There you go. If you're starting out or you're simply looking to just restock all your crystal game, this is the one.
I'm gonna add some more. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Just add a couple more. And add a hole and tie that the crystal that I could ask for. And I'm going to add some. So the best way is, a lot of you were asking questions, how do you decide to what designs are you going to do, and what is the best way for you to create the crystal placement is really is simple. It's just add your centerpiece, which is the there are like 1 2 3 4 5 15. A centerpiece is a slot you are going to get in the kits, and plus there are like 1,000 of 1 2 3 4 over 1,000 of the crystal SS in a different colors. So then you will never go wrong with this. You have everything you need, and it's only available through is a Black Friday special for this kit. I'm gonna using a little frame here.
You need to cut some?
You can. I got it. I'm going to add some beads on. So the best way to do it to get the centerpiece and all the crystal really close together. You don't have to like really, which one is going to be, it's okay. I'm good. You don't have to worry about, it's like, oh my God, I don't know what shape. Every single centerpiece you can create is with any design you prefer. So you just pick any centerpiece. Like I did it earlier. I did the drop, the perfect drop. And I put it right in the middle. You can do it right in the middle of the nails. You can do it close to the cuticles. Or you can do is in the diagonal, however you would like. And then place with your centerpiece first, which is I did with the drop. And then you can use all of the SS different colors. You don't have to get the red colors like I like. There's so many. There are 1,000 of the different colors on one of the slot. You can get that. And add it on. That's it. And then we adding on beads from the tray. And you can add how many you would like to. You can add is like 2 beads in between one joist, or you can do 1 beads between one joist, however you prefer. And if you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds.